Hello everyone. Let's start this 2025 with a different agenda, different approach, different learnings. So today I'm going to talk about something which has been holding you for long. And these are not something which you might be doing purposely, but it's happening. So let me tell you why this is important for you to understand the newer ways of learning, what you should be focusing on. Let's begin. People are learning marketing. They're paying huge money to marketing gurus and courses. But what you should be focusing is to learn about human psychology. Marketing is all about connecting people with the psychology. People are learning, doing sales. In spite of you learning sales, first of all, you should be knowing to understand the human behavior. Human behavior is something which connects an individual with you. That's how a sale is happening, right? People are willing to build bigger brands, but they're not working towards the skill which is storytelling. That is where the branding comes into play. People are learning tools of, let's say, designing, editing, right? But they're not focusing on the actual art of designing, understanding the colors, understanding the color psychology, the theme, the fonts, and every little bit of the designing aspect. People are learning to invest and they're in a hurry to make money, but they're not willing to learn having patience. People are learning the art of increasing their productivity. Rather than doing that, you should be focusing on one particular goal. So the entitlement should be to increase your focus rather than increasing your productivity, right? I hope all these things are working for you, and if it is not, there has to be a change in the way you are learning. Similarly, if I say people are focusing on the hypes of marketing, but people are not working towards the fundamentals, right? If you don't work on fundamentals, how it's gonna be building your foundation? So people should be working on the foundation, not on the superficial level. So you see, there are a lot of things which you are doing on a daily basis, but you are not working on the core of the business. And the core of the business is changing the way you are learning, changing the way you are adopting. And one of the most critical things, people are working on strategies, different strategies, working on funnels, working on ads, working on blah blah blah, so many things, and people are not working on the actual execution. So you see the difference. That's why I told you, let's begin 2025 with a different mindset, different approach towards our own learning and growth. If you focus on doing what I have just shared, things are gonna change forever in this 2025. Let's begin. All the best.